Welcome to this video where we'll explore the world of car parts search tools. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed a specific part for your vehicle but didn't know where to find it or how to identify it correctly? This is where car parts search tools come in. Modern helpers that make it easy to find exactly what you need. These tools are especially useful for car owners, mechanics, or anyone who deals with the need for replacement parts. They allow you to search for parts by the vehicle identification number, VIN, or model, meaning you will always get accurate and compatible parts. In this video, we'll show you how these tools work and how you can use them to your advantage. There are many tools and platforms for searching car parts, and we'll introduce you to some of the most popular ones. It's important to note that some of these programs are free, while others require a subscription or charge per search. Here are some of the most well-known. PartsLink24, one of the most popular platforms for searching car parts. It supports searching by VIN number and vehicle model. It's ideal for finding original and replacement parts. This platform is often used in professional repair shops and may require payment. TecCom, a platform specialized in car parts, with options to search by chassis and model. Some of its services are free, while advanced features may require a subscription. Japancar.ru, particularly useful for Japanese vehicles. This platform offers detailed parts catalogs and supports searching by VIN. It's partially free, but access to all features may require payment. RockAuto, a popular platform for the American market, offering a wide selection of parts for various makes and models. Most services are free, but shipping and individual parts are charged. AutoDoc, a popular platform for searching parts for European vehicles, with a simple interface and options to search by model and year. It's free for basic searches, but additional services may require payment. Each of these platforms has its advantages, and the choice depends on your needs and the make of your vehicle. Free tools are great for quick searches, while paid programs often offer more detailed information and additional features. Note, we have covered the PartsLink24 and TecCom platforms in more detail in a course available on this channel. If you'd like to learn more about these tools, feel free to check out those video materials as well. To make this video even more useful, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Have you ever used platforms like PartsLink24, TecCom, RockAuto, or Japancar.ru? Which one worked best for you? Maybe you have a tip for our viewers. Write to us in the comments below. Your feedback can help others facing similar challenges. Also, if you have questions about a specific platform or situation, feel free to ask. We can address them in future videos to create even more helpful content together. Thank you for being part of our community.